The economy is projected to grow by 5.4% in the second half of the year, driven by wholesale and retail trade, manufacturing and services sector. This is according to Central Bank Governor Dr. Patrick Njoroge, who has brushed aside concerns about the upcoming general election affecting the economy.
The economy is expected to remain resilient to expand 5.4% between this month and December as output rises. Central Bank Governor attributes the projected strong performance of the economy to growth in the wholesale and retail trade at 20%, manufacturing at 28%, and accommodation and food services sector.
That notwithstanding, the leading indicators for Q2 point to continued good performance, even against the uncertainties for the related to, let's say, the political calendar. And I think taken together and looking at various indicators, the economy is expected to remain resilient in 2022 at 5.4%. That is our current estimate.
On subsidies, Dr. Patrick Njoroge noted that while the intervention deployed by the government to address the cost of living is a welcome move, the sustainability highly depends on the fiscal space that is available, adding that in the long run, the interventions are not feasible.
So it's an expenditure that is for these subsidies, which has to be balanced against other expenditures. And that's why in the long run, it is not viable.
He allayed concerns over a shortage of small notes, saying in July alone, CBK supplied the notes of 100 shillings worth 2.1 billion shillings. Caroline Jenga for Prime Edition.